I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Chromebook is ready. Update Chrome OS, enable the Google Play Store, and sign into the same Google account. Once done, open Settings and enable Linux Beta only if you plan to use Linux apps. However, the fastest route is Google Play. Make sure Play Store is enabled so you can install WhatsApp. These steps remove compatibility barriers and prepare your device for either WhatsApp Android app or browser linking. Now, move to installation and linking. Now choose your path. Install the WhatsApp Android app from Google Play, granting microphone and storage permissions, or open WhatsApp Web in Chrome by navigating to the web client. Once the app or site is ready, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap Settings, then Linked Devices. You will see a QR scanner. Use it to scan the code displayed on your Chromebook. This step links sessions. Make sure your phone has internet and stays nearby, because the phone authorizes and keeps the connection active. Finish by confirming chat sync and sending a test message or voice note so you verify audio and file access. If something goes wrong, first check that your phone has a stable internet connection and that Chromebook time/date are correct. Mismatched time often blocks authentication. Also, make sure Chrome has camera permissions for QR scanning and Play app permissions if installed. If still stuck, unlink the session from your phone and rescan the QR. That usually resolves lingering session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.